Have you ever woken up from a vivid dream wondering what the heck did that mean? Well, it's your subconscious. It's probably trying to send you a really important message here, okay? So I have a special opportunity for you. I'm offering dream analysis for only $15 a month. Normally it's $40. There's a tiny little catch though. Your dream and my analysis are going to be used as a case study for my social media in order to help others understand their own dreams too. And believe me, it's beneficial. I've read a book about that. The author is French. His name is Etienne Perrault. But it helped me a lot, and I'm sure it helped his other readers a lot too. So the important detail that I need to mention here before you even start thinking about sending me money, contact me. My email is dreamanalysis@mail.com. Send me a message there asking me if I'm available, first and foremost. Then we can talk about the details. You can send me the money. The analysis is going to be done written within 3 to 5 days. 1 dream per analysis. 18 years and over, please. No children. This is really for adults. So I want you to include as much details as possible. So think of anything. Buildings or outside in nature, daytime, nighttime, colors, people. Are there animals? What's the dialogue? How did you feel? And try to figure out what event or what situation you are living through in your real life that can be connected to that, because the analysis has to be done about something that's occurring in real life to try to understand something that needs to be uncovered about your real life. Okay, I can omit either your name or some personal details. I can make you completely anonymous in my video. No worries. For the public part, obviously, not your own personal part. That doesn't matter because it's going to be kept 100% confidential. Don't worry. The payments are going to be done by Interact Transfer for those who are Canadians, PayPal, or Stripe. And because this offer is a contribution towards educational content for my channel, there are no refunds. So think of this as getting professional insight at a fraction of the cost while benefiting a community of dream explorers. It's a limited time offer. It's not going to last forever. And honestly, seeing real examples might actually even give you more value than a private session. See you there.